Hi guys, welcome to Alphamantraining live videos, and we would like to share with you our client's success story, how he managed to create fuck date, and he invited a girl from day game to actually have sex with him. So he invited her for today's evening at 9 p.m. He approached her 3 or 2 days back near Green Bridge in Vilnius, Lithuania. He approached her during the day game and managed to get her contact. He later wrote her a message that her eyes tell that she would like to have sex. She turned those messages to actually sex messages and our things. And you know what this girl replied? This girl replied, no, actually our client told that, today was amazing day. I went with friends to play pool. We had amazing time. And you know what, like in Lithuania, all bars, entertainments are closed. But he said like, I went, to play pool. It was amazing day. And a girl, oh really? So it's so amazing, it's so great. And she was so turned on by his story that he said, like on 9 p.m. we can meet near, Šilo tiltas, near one academy, and we can walk, we can spend time, we can watch movie. And she said, yes, we should watch a movie because all cinemas are closed because of this corona shit. So this corona epidemic. So like she agreed, and they will meet on 9 p.m. So look, from day game to sex messages to voice call, talking to her, and to date. Can you do that? Yes, you can do that as well. And use this corona time for your advantage, because girls are lonely, they don't know what to do, and you can approach them as well. So really recommend you to do that, because look, girls are not prepared for isolation. They don't know how to manage. They are really bored, they are afraid, they need leading. Because when you will approach them during corona time, you need to be a leader, like a doctor. You say to her, it's good to touch, each one, because I'm a doctor, and my father is doctor, and if you are clean and not taking person, it's good to touch another person. Because like you create endorphins in their blood. So you tell, you use AMT systems on them. And start with our book, how to approach a girl. It's actually How to Become an Alpha Man by Aaron Wolfe. Start with our book, read that book. I included all my personal stories with photos, how I changed, how I became an alpha man. So I will lead you to become a real alpha man. So after that book, go to pick up online training courses. It's like basics of AMT systems. After that DVD, go to DVD how to dance with a woman. Because in that DVD, you will learn how to dance with a girl in a way to seduce her. After that DVD, follow the steps, and I wish you really amazing time for doing this pickup. See you.